This lighting is so good.
I need to like be aware of my spaghetti and my shrimp.
Just kidding. Alright, y'all. So we gon' Alright. Whoa, hold on.
Come on.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Jenny, and today I am with my cousin Mariana and then my sister in the background,
Julie.
Wait, let me take off my boots.
Juju on that beat.
So my cousin's gonna help me make this. So we're gonna make a super moist cake.
She wanted moist. She specifically
Literally chilled down my spine.
She specifically said, I want something moist.
Well, I say that because I know my sister hates that word. So if I link her Instagram or whatever down below, just comment moist.
No.
Anyway.
She opened one.
Yeah.
Alright. So I already had this planned out, set out. Oh my god.
You don't even have the oil.
Hold on, I'm gonna use butter.
Wait, you also need eggs.
You know where the stuff is.
I really don't.
She's the sous chef, and I'm the actual
What's a sous chef?
the person that doesn't matter. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
She's like, I'm gonna leave. So we're gonna get 3 eggs.
You can do a flow test.
You wanna do it?
Yes.
Okay, so if you wanna follow the directions, it says 1 cup water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. But I don't like using oil, I like using butter.
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 You need some butter.
I need some butter. So I'm just gonna start whisking this even though there's nothing in it, just because I wanna get some of the chunks out before we add stuff to it.
Hey.
Copyrighted. Alright, down. This is a rough angle. Alright, so you're gonna whisk it. She put 1 cup of water. So it'll help if you had the electric mixer, but we're too poor for that, so like we don't.
Well, that's pretty good though.
Yeah. It's because it's moist. So then we're gonna add,
The butter.
should I add, yeah.
We'll put the butter in.
Added all the butter. I'm gonna add a lot of cinnamon. I love, you guys are good with cinnamon, right?
She don't like cinnamon.
No, I do. It's fine. It's just like I've never seen someone put cinnamon.
Really? It's
It
fire.
gives it a little, it gives a kick.
No, yeah, I've tasted cinnamon and like something like that.
My mom does it like that too.
Alright. Thanks, my dude.
Wait, but you said to put the eggs.
What eggs?
The eggs.
Oh my god, I didn't put the eggs. I thought you already did.
Oh, you bought wrong then.
Low-key, Mari's trying to do this too and you're over here taking over.
She's not helping.
And you're in the way.
Oh my gosh, she got the attitude. This is why we don't have kids.
Did you turn off the shrimp?
Yes.
I'm gonna try this one-handed.
That was our cake. Just kidding.
Oh,
Mira.
perra.
Mírala.
Ya se cree.
She's coming over to do our breakfast tomorrow.
Ah, you thought.
I got that.
Oh, no. So now we're basically done mixing. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it.
Put it in here.
Yes. Okay.
Let me get a spatula too.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and bake this.
We're still gonna make the other one, no?
Are we?
Yeah,
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add another one to this because it's pretty low in there. And then because my battery is running low and I kind of don't want to go to my car right now, we will record the after part. So see you guys later. Ooh, wrong way. Alright y'all, so we are gonna get this whipped ready. Also, I took out the cake from the pan. It didn't come out all in one piece, but that's a-okay because neither did we. To top it off, we have these little unicorns. She's not doing a good job.
Shut up.
She said not on all of it.
What's with that?
Oh my god. Look, it looks so bad, but it tastes so good. If my life were a cake, it'd be this. It's like, you tried.
Ay, chingados.
Happy birthday to me.
Me, bitch.
Not, don't get me in there.
Oh.
Happy birthday to me.
Raja does
Julie.
have
Happy birthday
Dear
to
Julie.
Happy birthday to me. Ooh, yeah.
Damn.
My mouth is so watery.
You cut it so tiny.
You want bigger pieces?
¿Te lo vas a comer todo? Solita? You're
I
such
can
a
take some
cat.
home. I can take some home.
Cool, why? I'm kidding.
Cause like if you're not gonna eat it, I can take some home.
What do you
Oh
mean?
my god.
I won't eat it.
Dude, the quality on this camera is so good.
I know. And it's so small.
Look at that. You can even see everything.
Should we do a taste test all together?
Okay. So.
You can have a plate. I don't need a plate. I want whipped cream.
I want whipped cream.
My bad.
I haven't had whipped cream in a minute.
Ooh. Your mom's probably looking at it like, Mariana, yeah. You ready?
Okay. Ready?
Cheers, y'all.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Damn. I'm so scared.
This smacks. Yeah, I know I keep on hitting my arm for no reason. Bye. I'll wait for you here.
I'm so done with this child. Thanks for watching. Bye.